What's up, guys? Let me see if I'm live here. All right, we are live. Coming to you live from South Central Florida. How to survive in South Central. All right, guys, I came on early today because I got to go to a motor vehicle again. Let's see what we got here. We got NAS coming down. Get my phone. I can enter a trade if I want. Hold on now. Something's up here. Who's that? I don't know who called me. I missed the call. Sorry about that, guys. All right. NAS is coming down. Let's see what it does here. There is news today. Today's Wednesday at 1:01. We got red folder news, so just so you guys know, be careful about that. I don't plan on being here at 1 o'clock, that's for sure. But we do have red folder news, 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. I just want to grab a quick trade here, guys. We'll try to grab a quick 20, 30 pips. Oh, that gold trade yesterday, man, that hit both TPs. Let me see. Actually, it just hit the TP this morning, the second one. This was TP. I got out around here. But I took this one twice, man. Let me go to 5 minute. Hold on. We originally entered this trade. Okay, we went into drawdown, right? I took another position here. I moved this box over so it'd be out of the way so I could see this box, but it's still in the same position it was. It's still at the same price point. This box was over here. Okay, so I entered a buy here. I hit TP. I closed this trade. I was expecting it to go up. I was going to close this trade. It came back down. I entered again, closed again when it got up here. Then I just held it, and then I ended up closing over here somewhere. So I ended up taking three wins on that one trade. And if you stayed in all the way, you would have eventually hit the full TP, and then some, if you would have stayed in, So anyway, guys, I just want to show you that, man. We had all the indicators in our favor. We knew we were bullish. Okay, we went through a lot of drawdown, but we knew we were bullish. We knew we were going to win, and we stuck it out. We didn't over leverage, so we were able to hold through the drawdown, and we ended up winning. Now, I'm not going to stay on here long today either, guys, just so you know. But I'll tell you what my plan. If I take a trade, I'll tell you what my plan is. I'm looking at a buy here already on NAS. That's what's in my mind. Let me go to the daily bias. Is bullish. Okay, so that's in our favor. See, London session was bearish. New York session is bullish. We're right on a 5-minute demand zone. We swept the liquidity. I need this to come up a little and come back for me to enter a buy. I want it to show me that it wants to go up by breaking structure here. And then we take it on the pullback to the fair value gap. We take the buy. Okay, that's what we're waiting for here. Or else it might just keep going down. That's a big rejection wick, though. Look at that. On the 15. If you're really brave, you could take it on the flip of this candle. I know some people would take that. I'm not really crazy about that at this point, but I would do it if I felt like it, if I was confident in it, but I'm not confident in it, so I'm not going to do it. I got a feeling we might come down more. I would like for it to come down more, tell you the truth, and then buy it up. Yeah, so that gold trade turned out nice yesterday if you had the patience to stay in. Hey, it is what it is. Let me see make sure I'm live here. I can't see the chats or anything, guys. I don't know how to do it. I have to click away from the screen for some reason. I don't know. It doesn't seem like other streamers have to do that. So I have to figure it out. Give me a like, guys. And I think I'm going to start streaming at this time. We'll see how it goes. My friend built a bot on this platform. I put some money into it. We'll see how that goes too, guys. Matter of fact, let me see what that's doing now. Okay, I'm almost up 1% already on this thing. Pretty good. I just threw a few $100 in here to check it out. If it goes good this week, I'll put the link below if you guys want to do it. If you guys want to try it out. You don't have to do anything. Once you just fund it and let it run. I mean, normally I'm not crazy about those things, but I know this guy. I know he's not a scammer because I have a history with the guy, so I trust him. Now that doesn't mean just because it's not a scam doesn't mean you're gonna make any money either. But at least I know it ain't a scam. So that's half the battle. I gotta get coffee. So that's the deal, guys. If you want to try that, I'll put the thing there. I want to wait for a week and make sure that it, doesn't blow up in my face after I show it to people. I know a week isn't a big deal, but I just want to see how it goes. Interesting now. We're up, but we haven't taken any highs out, though. We go to the 1 minute. I almost feel like this is a buy right here, man. Should we take a buy on this, guys? I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient, man. I had a nice day yesterday. I killed it yesterday with that gold trade, man. I knew it was going to go up, guys. I hope you guys stuck it out. I mean, I hate to say things like I knew. I just, I don't know anything, but, you know how you don't know, but you know? That's how I feel about that. If I was going to buy this, it would be right now, right off this fair value gap. But I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to watch. I know I'm usually more aggressive, but I don't know. Something's telling me to wait on this one. Plus, I noticed I've been taking trades so fast. I think it's because I'm streaming. I feel like I have to take a trade. And let's face it, I mean, we want to get in, get a trade, grab out the 20, 30 pips and go fishing, like I always say. Look at this thing going up now. I should have bought it. Yeah, this was the spot right here, man, on this fair value gap. Let's see if it breaks this high and comes back. That's already 30 pips, no matter where we would have got in. Right there is like 35 pips. Depending on where you got in. So figure 30 right there. So, I mean, that would have been a nice little trade already for the day. That would have been it. All right, let's see what it does here. It didn't take the high, though. Okay, guys, it's like equal highs here. It has to take these out and then come back down, in my view, man. That's what I'd like to see. I mean, it doesn't mean I wouldn't take it, but okay. Coming back down. Hmm. And you guys got tight necks? Man, tight necks really dropped, man. I'm thinking about buying another billion of them. I have a little less than 2 billion. I think 3 billion is the number. And then I'll just hold it and see what happens, man. I don't know about that coin though, man. Part of me is excited. I think, part of me thinks that thing's going to go, you could easily get like a 20x out of it. That's what I think. But part of me is like, a little leery because all the BS that goes on. My main one is still H bar. H bar has been doing good. Let me see where we're at with H bar. 13 cents. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, I got a nice bag of H bar, man. If H bar ever goes to $1, man, you'll be saying, wow, what happened to that guy that used to stream on here, used to trade live? Be like, Sayonara, guys. He disappeared into the jungles of Southeast Asia. Actually, to the beaches of Southeast Asia. I'm going to get a coffee, guys. Hold on. All right, what I miss? Pretty much textbook, man. Now that I look at it, came right back to the fair value gap again. Let me see what US 30 is doing. Oh. US 30 is up by itself over here. US 30 is really bullish. Let's check gold. Freaking wash machine giving me trouble now. Believe this? What do we got here? All right, let's get a trade here. Hey, Josh. We got to go to motor vehicle, so make sure you're ready. Okay. All right, what are we thinking here, guys? That's 40 pips, 45 pips right there. Can we sell it? Got a little flag going that way. You can see it here. Oh, I'm not crazy about it. I'm not crazy about it, guys. I would like for it, if I want to sell it, I would like for it to come down here, break through here, retest, and come down. That's what I'm thinking right now. And to buy, I want it to pop through here now, retest and go, you know? That. That's a messed up arrow, huh? Like this. No. Something like that, guys. Now, that doesn't mean in 10 seconds I'm going to be like, you know what? I see something, and I'm just like, I'm selling this thing or I'm buying this thing. Something the candles tell me, or something I just notice. Right now, it's just consolidating. Funny how it came right to our line, right? Oh, goodness. Ah. I've been so lonely when I'm without you. But in my mind, can't forget about you. Where you guys from, man? Anyone from New York? I'm thinking about selling US 30 here, man. I got church tonight. I'm just thinking, random thoughts coming out of my head, right? Might sell US 30 here, guys. Let's see what it does. Right now, I'm thinking I need it to come below this line, then come back and touch this fair value gap, and then I'll sell it. I feel so lonely. Man, I didn't sleep good, I guess. I haven't been sleeping good anyway, man. I'm not a great sleeper. I wake up too much. Wow, there's a lot of pressure, right? It's the third time it went right to that exact spot. And it goes just poked through. It's showing me long here, man, but I'm not crazy about it. What do you guys think, man? I don't know. I got a weird feeling about it. We came up and broke this structure. See, we got our little breaker structure signal here. Just don't like it for some reason. I'm not feeling it. Look, it's coming down now. It might come all the way to this fair value gap. If you were going to take it long, that'd be the place. Maybe we'll try it. Maybe I'll try it. Let's see. I mean, it makes sense, kind of. It's got to come down, though. It's got to come down a little further. I want a better entry than that. Damn, it came right down. I wasn't paying attention. This guy sent me a message. Anybody take that, man? Damn it. Missed my entry. Let me see where it's going. If you did take it and it works out. Oh, damn it. I'll take it at least to there. Let's see. I mean, you could be out of this already. So you got in right where we planned. That was like 18, 19 pips. Right to the top. I don't know. I'm not feeling. I feel like a little. I feel like it wants to come down for some reason, man. I don't know why. My subconscious mind must be seeing something that. If it comes down again, maybe I'll take it. Let me see. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm not in yet, guys. Could go either way here. So it wants to go up, right? Yeah, I misread that one. That would have been my TP1 right there. Right here, right between the two closes of those candles. Hey, it happens, guys. And it was 24 pips. That would have been perfect. 25 pips. That would have been a perfect TP1. And it would have went going right to TP2. Which would be right here, I figure. It's all right. It worked out textbook. You know, came right back to our fair value gap. You know, where was the breaker structure? Here. Came right down, tapped the fair value gap, and went. Just like it was supposed to. See that? So that's it. That's how we do it. Hey, Eva. Even though we missed that one, I missed it. I hope some of you guys got it. Hey, baby. Let me see what US 30 is doing. The indicator's telling us it's bullish. Let me see the daily. Bullish. So we'd be looking for buys on US 30. So this looks like a nice, if you look at this sell setup, it took the highs, broke structure here. Now it's pulling back. Let's see what it does, you know. So it should, but this could just be a pullback, you know. It didn't really break structure, actually. I would want it to come here, you know. We just got the buy signal, but we're not in an area that I would take it. You know, if we were down here, I would take it because we're right off a zone, a strong zone. You know. Might take a buy on NAS right here, guys. I'm gonna take a buy. I'm in. Okay, right there. Let me make it bigger. 5 minute. That's my TP1 right here, guys. That's where I'm taking the bulk of my trade off. Right? I didn't put my stop loss yet, guys, so I don't use a stop loss anyway. You guys know that, but it would be down here. Somewhere down here below this swing low. You guys could choose for yourself here or here. You could do a 1-to-1. Open this up a little. Get a measure. That's perfect. That's 22 pips. Well, let's see what happens, guys. Let me just check oil. 79.06. Oil is down too. Damn, oil looks like a buy too, man. We came to this fair value gap. We did not violate it. And check gold. Gold's a little more choppy. Oil might come all the way down here somewhere. Oil is bullish though. Kind of missed oil unless it comes back again. Ooh, NASDAQ went down. We just bounced off that demand. Let's see what it does, guys. All right, it's coming down, looks like, guys. See if it pulls back. Ay. That's a mistake, guys. Now let's see what it does with this fair value gap. I'm still holding. No, we broke our trend. These are useless now. What do you guys think, man? One and only you. Ba-da-ba. I don't like it, guys. Ay. I think I made a mistake here. I didn't really feel. Let's see what it does here. Oh, there goes that fair value gap. Hopefully it'll reject off there. All right, guys, I'm going to close. I'm just waiting to see if it'll pull back so I don't lose as much. But you might as well close if you want to close, guys. There was a little support here, and it broke it. Well, let's see, maybe it'll come back. I guess you could wait because it's coming to a demand zone. If you want to hold, you're already in this far. It could reverse off here. I might take a buy off here. But if it violates that demand zone, that's it. It could come below, sweep, and then go back up. Now let's see what it does. We are bullish. So, people sending me messages. Crazy, man. Craziness. Man, Titan X is down, man. I got a nice bag of Titan X, but not like H bar, but I'm gonna buy some later. Let me see what the price is. Wow, we dropped to 0. I mean, we added a 0, and we're down to 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros, 3. My goodness, I'm down big on Titan X. But I still think it's going to be a good coin. So I'm just going to hold like I have a choice, right? But I'm going to hold it. But if you're thinking about buying Titan X, it's down low now, man. If you were thinking about it. Guys, I'm going to buy oil. Okay, I'm taking a small buy on oil. I'm in now. Right at our original entry that I was looking at. TP on oil is 79.43. Now it's just pulling up a little. And NAS is coming back. I would expect NAS to sweep this low before going back up, man. You know, that's just me. If it does come and sweep this low and then break back above here, I'm going to buy it again. All right, that's my plan. Just like this. Oh, man, what the heck? But hopefully it'll just keep going up now. It's good if we could close above that fair value gap. That means we violated it. There was a big fair value gap right here. If it closes above. It's above now, but it didn't close. Oh, goodness. Coming back down. Okay, we're up 16 pips on oil, or 17, 18 pips on oil. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even on oil. Come on. Okay, guys, stops to break even. Put your stop loss like 2 points in profit, 3 points in profit. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it at 79.01. Okay. Up 20 pips. You can take profit anytime you want, guys, on oil. It looks like it's rejecting here. Nasdaq's coming back for us. Why does it always shrink when I switch screens, guys? Anybody know? Okay, I'm up 14 pips on oil. I'm thinking about closing some. Let me see if it rejects off this fair value gap. If we get a nice rejection off this fair value gap, I'm going to hold. There we go. Keep going, babe. Now flip. Okay, 15 pips. Right at 16 pips. Oh, come on, reject. There we go. It's right on the 200 too. There we go. See how I rejected right off that fair value gap again? That's a good sign. Right at 16 pips again. Come on, keep going up. Cut the baloney. If it violates that fair value gap, guys, I'm going to close. It didn't violate it. It did close inside it, but it didn't violate it. $12 pips. Check NAS. Nas is trying to get to our break even. Okay, come on up, oil. Come on up out of there, man. Come out of the mud. Let's go. Whoa, you see that reversal there? That's volume here. What time is it? It's 11:12. Oh, weird. That's 25 pips right there. If I get up to here, guys, right? If it comes up here again, I'm closing at least 3/4. I'm going to close 75% right here. My stops are already in profit. Let me put a line there so you guys see. That's my that's where I'm closing, guys. I may close the whole thing, 25 pips, man. Ain't nothing wrong with that, you know. And we're coming to break even on NAS. So we're in a good spot here, guys. I hope you guys held. Did it violate that fair value gap? I guess it did. Let's see what this candle does. Here we come. Only 12 pips, though. Here we come. I'm getting ready to close, take some profits, guys. Man, it's very bouncy, right? Come on up, oil. Let's go. You know you want to pay me. You know you're going to buy me a boat. Let's go. This year is dedicated to my boat. It's very undecided right now, guys. You might want to take profit. I'm not going to tell you guys what to do. I didn't do anything yet except move my stop to a couple of pips in profit. So I can't lose any money on this trade. Right now I'm up like 12, 13 pips. I'm waiting for it to get to here. And I'm going to close 75% or 80%. And then just leave a runner. I'll probably move my stop loss up right below this fair value gap. Okay, we're getting there now, guys. I'm getting ready to close. It won't just pop up there for us. Come on, baby. Let's go, man. I need the Rocky music. What do we need here? Get rid of that. It's blocking my view. Nas dropped again. And oil's coming down again. And I'm still up like 10 pips. Still in it. Wonder where all this volume's coming from. You ever think about that? Like a weird time of day? Is it the banks just deciding, okay, guys, we're going to get in at 11:16? This might stop me out, guys. Man, it's been a stress. Today's a struggle, huh? The devil don't want me to get that boat. I rebuke you, sellers. I rebuke all you sellers, man. What's Naz doing? Naz is coming back up. Oil's coming back up. Let's go, baby. All right, back up. 7 pips in profit. Guys, don't be afraid to take profit any way you see fit. You'll never lose money taking profit. You never go broke taking profit. You only go broke if you're stubborn like me, holding on for a couple extra pips. It's funny. We're back up there yet or what, man? I can't bear to watch anymore with this NASDAQ. Not yet. All right. We'll get there. If I got to wait till 4 in the morning, I'll wait. Like the other day, yesterday with gold. But that turned out for 3 wins instead of 1. That's the beauty of using a smaller lot size, guys. You can hold. If you know you're bullish and all the candles show you're bullish, you can see the waves like going up, going up. Then you can hold, man. Hold. If you think it's going up, hold. But don't don't hold if you over leverage, then you're going to wipe out half your account, Don't put yourself in that situation. You use a small lot size, guys, and kill it every day. Just keep compounding, man. You're not going to get rich here, man. Trying to take giant trades, man. You're just going to get wiped out, man. It might stop us. That might stop me out this time. It hit me. I'm out, guys. God damn it. I hope you guys are still in, man. If it comes down to here, I'm going to take another position. I'm stopped out 2 pips in profit. God damn it. Let me see Naz. Naz is just consolidating now. That was fun anyway, man. Let me see oil. Let me see what it does here. Hey, you got to enjoy yourself, man. And we didn't make any money, but we had a good time, like we used to say. We used to say on the job in New York, yeah, we don't make much money, but we have a good time. Hey, I'm up 2 pips on the day. Woohoo! 2 pips to the boat fund. Man, I gotta buy a new washing machine. The thing's driving me crazy. It keeps shutting off now. Any washing machine repairmen out there? Damn, brand new wash. It's new, but I never used it because it was like a spare. So it was sitting in my garage for like 2 years. Then when I moved here, it probably got banged up. I decided to leave the old one and just install this one. And the thing stopped working after a month. Or it stopped working right. Every now and it usually works, but every now and then it just starts sending out all these damn signals, all these error codes, and starts beeping. The more they improve this technology with all these, all these buttons and all that crap, man. I don't know what do you call it, like computerize it, and the more problems you have, man. My mom had a washing machine. She bought it when I was a little kid. She had that thing till I was like 25, man. Big old American made washing machine, man. You just press start. Boom, thing ran like a tank every time, man. No problems. Sometimes I think we got to get back to that, man. Now this looks like it wants to go up again. I got a feeling since it didn't keep going up, it might come down and sweep this and then go up. So I'm not sure. I don't know. Any guys still in this? Yeah, it's going up now. Today's Wednesday, right? Nasdaq's still down. I'm watching it over there on the big screen. There goes oil again. Oil is very jumpy, man. You notice that? I still think Nas might come down here, man. I hate to say it, but oil too. There goes oil again. If you stayed in oil, man, you're up now. If you're still in that oil trade, you should be up. I should have left where we got in. Let me see where my it's right around here somewhere, I think. I forget now. It don't matter. But you're up. If you stayed in, you're up. You could close now if you want. You should be up around 10 pips. A little less. That was the original entry. This is if you're a little. That would be like a little longer holder. You know, this would be TP1. I didn't put it there. I thought I did. That's the deal. That's the original trade. And Nas fell off again, but it's coming back up again. Ugh, Nas, you're breaking my heart today, buddy. You're breaking my heart, Nas. Back's starting to hurt, guys. I gotta get moving here. What's Naz? I gotta wait for Naz to do something, man. I'm already out of this oil trade, but I'm just curious to see what's gonna happen now because it came right back to profit after stopping me out at break even. I was waiting for it to come down here to get into another buy, but it never came all the way down. I figured it's down here would sweep this low and then head up because we are bullish. We know we're bullish. So Nasdaq's dropping, I think. It's still in our zone there. If this does come back up, I'll probably close. I'll take profit at least right here. And move stops to break even and just hold it and see what it does. But I'm not crazy about the way it. We are bullish though. You know, we are bullish according to the ICT Daily. ICT Daily Bias says we're bullish. We are kind of holding this line here. That's not a trend line, but turned out to be a trend line. See what it does. That's all. That's all we can do, right? It's just a guess. It's an educated guess, but it's just a guess. Oil came down again. You think about it, nothing's really moving. Everything's just kind of staying in its area. You know, it's just going back and forth in one area. What's gold doing today? Gold is heading north. I like that it keeps giving higher lows. You know, even this one's close. It's still a higher low. That tells me too that bulls are jumping in sooner. We'll see what happens. Oh, man, my back starts to hurt sitting here. NASDAQ is going down or what? Yep. I'm going to set an alarm here. Comes there, I'll buy it again. Comes oil now. Oil's going to go up, guys. I just don't know when, but it's going to go up. And NAS is coming for that low. Get rid of this in my way. Here it comes. There's the alert. Let's see what it does. It just swept the low. I'm going to kill that alarm now. Oh, it's still coming down, guys. My goodness, where are we headed? Where are we headed? The next one's all the way down here. That's what I love about NAS, man. When it decides to go, if you're going with it, man, it just goes, man. Look at this thing. I mean, it's 11:43, and this thing just decided to take off. Everything else is just hanging out, man. That just gets on that train and starts flying. Crazy. It's funny. I put a post on Facebook. We used to play this game, Kill the Man with the Ball, you know? And I put a post about it. Everybody has different names for it all around the world, you know? Everybody played it, but just different names, different ways to play it. But it's like there would be just a group of us in like a football. And one guy would grab the football and everyone would be tackling him. And when he goes down, he just throws it in the air. The next guy catches it and he just starts running with it and everyone's trying to tackle him. We play that for an hour, man, at lunchtime, you know, in school. Killing each other for an hour out there. What's the world doing? Yeah, today sucked, man. Look at this. This thing hasn't moved 30 pips in either direction. I'm going to get out of here, man. I'm just going to wait. I got my alarm on NAS. Well, my alarm went off already, actually. Sorry about that. But I'm going to take another buy here somewhere. Let me see what this line is here. Hold on. Oh, that's the next low. Let me put an alarm on that baby. You know, I'm going to go to motor vehicle, guys. It's already almost 12. I'll get there right after lunch. I got to go get my son ready. I'm going to take another buy here. I think right here. If it hits here, I'll take a buy. Let me put it there. Small lot buy just to get me back to the entry. It's going to be like yesterday with that gold trade. I'm going to take this one. Oops. Why it does that? Pain in the neck. right to when this one's in profit, the first one, and I'll close this one. Then I'll manage this one. If it comes down again, I might buy it again. Because we're bullish. You can see on the indicator. Now's a good time to buy. We swept this low. See, we got the breaker structure. You can't really see that because it's so small, but. All right, so I'm going to put a small buy here, guys, and then I have to go. Okay. NASDAQ. I think it's NASDAQ. There it is. All right, I'm taking now, guys. That's the trade. Okay, oil ended. It took us out at break even. So far we're break even. We're in drawdown on NAS. Break even on oil, 2 pips on oil, whatever way you want to look at it. I'm in profit on this trade. On NAS, I'll be closing up here. Okay, as soon as we go in 10 cents profit on the first one, I'm going to close this one. Okay, and then I'm going to manage the first trade. Okay, this is going to put me, when this hits profit, you could just close both if you want, because this is even a better take profit than we had set for the first one. But I'm going to definitely close this one full, maybe even take some off this one if it's in profit, and then just manage the first one. You could either close it, you could hold it, do whatever you want to do. You could hold it to our first take profit if you want, which I would lower now because we have a new supply zone here. So I would probably just close full there. It's only a few pips. You could just close full when this trade, when the first one gets to break even. But anyway, guys, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Maybe I'll jump on later in the afternoon if I get a chance. Stay blessed, guys. God bless you guys, man, and have a great day on purpose, my friends. I'll see you guys later or tomorrow. Thanks, guys.